acknowledgement and reward. I see myself, when you ask this question, I see yourself leaning towards being an interventionist, where you're looking for a tangible, right? Rather than think about, you occupy this right place, plane right in between doing something real and thinking about actually conceptually what is that you're drawing. So for example, if you're thinking about language, and what you said, the beautiful example of cat as heard, cat as read, cat as seen, if you're aware of these three possibilities already, and you see it being realized in three sort of sets of children differently, you've already got your reward.
Yeah.
There is no tangible for that which you will get. That's like saying the 20 rupees woman will now get 200 intangible. And that pretty much also brings me to the question of passion. So there is one French man who spoke about this concept of what he calls jouissance, Jouissance. Passion, what is it? Positive, negative, immediately it came out, right? I'm passionately in hate, right? Or I passionately love to extremes, right? So one of the things that this fellow, who was a French philosopher, or Jacques Lacan, who came up with this concept called jouissance, he traces it at the moment of what is actually sexual ecstasy. That moment that you cannot explain, where what happens is language breaks down. But if language breaks down, what it does is, language breaking down is not a lack of meaning, but is in fact a profusion of meaning. Where you exist is at the realm of meaning, but not at the realm of words. So passion is pretty much that. We don't see it or feel it or hear it. There's no tangible.
But it's an experience.
Right, but it's an experience. I think this whole an impossibility. It's an impossibility, you said, right? That we don't achieve something. So actually, impossibility is pretty much a realization of a desire. It's a desire. You achieve desire. If desire is here, you achieve it. Desire moves there. Right? Desire pretty much works in its unattainability, in its unreachability. Right? What is the dream you want to aspire to? A better question is, which we often ask children, right? Better question is, how do you dream? Right? So I think it's been a privilege for me to be a part of this group, so sort of from the outside. But this is what we believe in the foundation. And if we can sort of just get people to think conceptually.